LYEL stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. I haven't been the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, and I'm not even trying to exaggerate here, but I've seen what's working for me, what's not. Lyell Immunopharma stock. I mean, you can check out my YouTube channel. Like, it's taken me 5 years to come to this point, but this thing is just pumping like crazy. And unironically, when I see it pumping up as such, I'm like, okay, I'm not trying to miss out on this. Hopefully I can get involved, right? But there is a big question mark here. Randomly buying will not be the way. I'm saying this because I've been burned so many times before. The only thing that will make sense to me though is if I do see the price pulling down, having some corrections, and it's only on those corrections, if I see a double break, where I'm going to look to get involved myself, right? Randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.